Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. This is a 125 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in shadow black. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, black honeycomb grille, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters. You got the body coloured styling kit, body coloured door handles, 17-inch grey alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the patterned side panels and the red stitching. ST line threshold plates. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Manual rear window openings, rear side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, so inside the rear load area, 60/40 split rear seat, folding seats, and this car is equipped with a space saver spare wheel. Moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows. Centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box is a USB and 12-volt plug-in for accessories. So this car's done 55,895 miles. 6-speed gearbox. Stop-start deactivation switch, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, and another USB plug-in point. Heater controls with manual air conditioning. Then you've got the touchscreen media system. So on there you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got a CD player, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, full screen navigation system, controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. You've got the black leather steering wheel with the black stitching. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Focus ST line 1 litre EcoBoost 125 PS. And it's a Euro 6 engine. Moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.